Hola a todos, ¿qué tal? Y bienvenido de nuevo a mi canal. Soy Karla de las Filipinas. Mabuhay and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another day, another vlog. And for today's video, we are in
Moratalla.
Moratalla. So welcome to Moratalla. And what are we gonna see here?
Well, we were driving 2 hours to
Okay.
see the lakes,
Yes.
cold water, the waterfalls,
Yes.
the rocks,
Okay.
and now we go and we
Yeah.
go try to find the castle.
Yes, so stay tuned and enjoy the video. Let's go. Hi everyone, welcome back. So ayan, today we are in Moratalla, and it's a camping site. As you can see, it's full of cars, full of campers. And yeah, we are heading to the lake because that's the reason why we are here. But it's so unexpectedly that it's so much people, so much campers. It's nice actually for family bonding. Super. And I think they have karaoke
Yes, there
also.
is. Down.
Okay,
Yeah.
karaoke.
Oh yeah. Gonna sing country roads.
Now you know. Country road, take me home to the place where I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Oh, country road, back country road. Now we are arriving at the lake.
Very clean water.
And there's a campers also there. Look,
This should be
guys.
drinkable water.
Oh, it's nice. But still, there's people here.
Yes, that's it.
Even there's a camping area there. And we're here. And I think we're gonna do flies. Oh, I love this area. So now we're gonna need to take a photos and take off our
Ice cold water, I think. We walk in it, ice
Yeah.
cold water, yeah. But that's drinkable water. That's
Fresh.
mountain water.
but it's not
Okay, we
that
can walk
big.
this weekend. We come back and we go in here.
Take a photo here. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna go walk a little bit farther. We'll see what's in there, and if there's nothing, we're gonna come back and take a photo here. Okay, so I'll see you. So it's worth it. Okay, see ya. Everyone, again, welcome back. Okay, so now we are heading to the bridge area where we can take a photos. So yeah, what can you say about this camping site, Moratalla?
I think it's a really big lake behind. There's even a bigger lake behind.
I hope so.
Behind the dam.
There's more campers actually.
Oh yeah, that's really
Yes.
more really.
And it's beautiful. I will show you guys, okay? I will show you. Here. Country road, take me home to the place.
Yes, see, there's more.
There's more, but there's no like, we can go to the bridge.
Okay.
They're helping you.
Oh, then you can walk. Go to the bridge, we go
Oh,
right,
yeah,
right,
yeah.
then we go on the lake.
There's the lake.
Look at this.
It's nice to take a photo here. Hi. And that's the lake also, guys.
That's a nice view.
Yeah. You can try. You
I
have to
go
take a
down.
photo.
Let's go.
Hi everyone! Hi! I hope you can hear me, guys. But yeah, this is the sound. It's super noisy. But I'm just gonna try to just edit it later on. So let's go. Hi, say hi. Okay, let's try the water.
Feel the water, see the water is cold.
Yeah. So guys, what we're gonna do is we're gonna try the water if it's cold or whatsoever. But of course, it's cold.
It's
Still
ice cold,
winter.
but it's mountain water.
Mountain water.
Ice cold. But I think you can drink it.
The good thing is I have a here. Ta-da! Country road, take me home to the place
What's
where
that?
I belong. What?
It's not that cold.
Not at all.
It's okay.
Okay, the moment of truth. We're
It's
gonna
okay.
try it. It's fine. Actually, it's good.
It's okay.
And ta-da!
Now salty.
Huh?
Now salty.
Huh?
Right?
Okay. We should have a photo here.
Yes.
Like
But
this.
okay, but we don't know if the camera
We
can
have
see
the
us.
timer, yeah.
No, we can never arrive here in 7 seconds.
Yeah.
Then we will roll off the no.
Yeah. That's my video. Just stay here. I'm just gonna
I have to stay here.
See,
Yeah, but
like that.
just.
Like that.
Do you think the camera can
It's
see
our
us?
thumbnail.
You can see inside. So like this.
Yes.
Do you think the camera can see us?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, but if I do this, I mean, we might fall. Not the idea.
Oh, yeah. Okay, let's go. I know, stay here. I'm gonna take a photo of you.
I have to stay here.
You can stay
No, I
here.
stay on it.
Oh, ang sakit
I'm
ba?
gonna stay here.
So next time we're
I'm not
gonna
gonna stay
bring
here.
our...
It's too cold. I'm not gonna stay in this ice cold water for 10 minutes.
It's ice cold,
Fuck you. I'm not going
but when
to
you touch it, it's not.
Can't stay in ice cold water for 10 minutes.
But you stay for long, of course.
Okay, you go up and you take a picture. You take a photo.
I think I'm gonna do my intro here.
I can take photo of you also. Nice. He's beautiful.
Is it worth it?
Yes.
Okay.
As long as you're with me.
Oh, sweet. He's
that's sweet.
super sweet. No, actually, he's always like that. It's like location, place,
But
it
we have
doesn't
to
matter.
bring a barbecue.
What?
We have to bring our barbecue.
Yeah, it's good to do camping here. Actually, super super nice.
We didn't know.
Here you can refresh, restart, reset. You know, away from the city life.
Yep.
No drinking, no partying, just
No water, no boats.
yeah, super nice. Okay, so now we're gonna head to the other location. We'll see what can we do there. So, I'll see you. So, enjoy.
But if you come, you have to bring.
Hi mga bakla, welcome back. So, ayan. Tapos na tayo dun sa front ng ng lake. Ayan, dito tayo ngayon. Pero may mga naliligo. Super. Ayan. Yan ang itsura. Naliligo sila doon. Ayan.
It's like a natural dam.
Yes. Parang naging ano lang siya, dam. Ganun.
We can walk over it.
Yeah. But for sure it's cold. Yeah, I think it's nice to take a photo there, like where she is. The camera should be there and
You stand on the
We
dam
can
and I can make a photo when you stand on the dam.
and look at the mountain. There. Ta-da! Let's see. Yeah, I think it's deep enough to swim. It is deep enough to swim. So yeah, you can swim here, I think.
Yeah.
You can swim here. Ah, it's nice. Okay, after her, we can take a photo there. Okay. So we're
We go
gonna
over here or we walk around?
no, we're gonna walk down.
Yep.
So yeah, we're gonna take a photo here, just this side. Look at that. So greenish. Greeny. Greenish? Greeny? Ano ba talaga? Cutest head girl. So ayan. So ayan, wait lang natin siya. Then after that, picture taking tayo. Okay? See ya. Hi mga bakla. Ayan. So ayun, dito tayo magpipicture. Ayan, dito. And dyan tayo magpipicture. We just have to wait for them and we're gonna do photo shoot. 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 Okay, so Adi.
You can see it's moving the water so fast it is.
Oh, it's very, very cold. Ice cold now.
Okay.
Yeah. Welcome back. So yeah, we just finished our photo shoot here and we're gonna move somewhere. We're gonna do cruising. We don't know. Wearing like this, unprepared. So we're gonna head there. I don't know if you can see it.
Trying to put on my shoes.
Basta there. Doon. And he is there. Wearing the shoes because we are not ready. We're super not ready. So,
There is a
yeah, there's a stairs there. Oh. Hi everyone.
We go to the
Hi
stairs.
everyone. Look at that. It's like we are in a Jurassic Park. Beautiful. And yeah, look at this. So nice. You should see it. I will show you guys. There. This is super nice. Look at that. There. Look at that. Super nice. Okay, so yeah, I really like that.
Yes, that's really nice. That's really nice.
Yeah,
Ice cold
it looks
water,
like
very
a
nature.
Jurassic Park.
Yes.
I love it so
Only
much.
no dinosaurs.
So, yeah.
Maybe.
Okay.
Maybe still coming.
We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up all our friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long, and sing along to every song. We don't need nobody's attention, don't need nobody else in our zone.
And this is the ending of our video for today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and of course, always remember to be kind. Adios.